birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you have a wonderful 70th birthday. Wow, you're so old now, but you still look so young. Anyways,
So beautiful.
yeah, so beautiful. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Hopefully, I miss you guys.
Miss you.
Yeah, enjoy your birthday party.
Come to Korea.
Yeah, I wish I was there with Donna, but yeah. Anyways, bye-bye. Bye. Hi, Mama. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. We're sorry we can't be there, but we love you.
I miss you.
Happy 70th birthday, Mama. Wishing you good health po, genuine happiness, and more birthdays to come po.
Wishing you and Papa good health, peace, and happiness for many years to come. I love you, Mama.
Love you po.
Happy 70th birthday po. Wishing you good health and beautiful forever.
Happy birthday, kumari ko. Sana maligaya ka sa pagdating ng karawan mo.
Happy birthday, Minerva! May you have more birthday to come, good health, and all the best in life. We love you.
Love you, Ate Minerva. Good health and God bless you more.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Minerva! Happy birthday! We wish you love, peace, good health, and happiness always on your 70th birthday. And wishing you many, many more. Happy birthday! We love you!
From the Isaacs of Antipolo. Happy 70th birthday, Tita Minerva.
Cheers, Tita.
Cheers.
Little song for you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Busog mo kami. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Minerva. Happy 70th birthday, sis. Cheers to an amazing 70 years and many more to come. From Annabelle, Julio, Shildy, RJ, Carl, Sebi, and Nikki. Happy 70th birthday, Ate Minerva. More blessings and birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Minerva. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Hello, Ate Minerva. Happy birthday. Sana palagi kang nasa good health. Saka palagi sana masaya, free of stress. And sana more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Minerva. 70 ka na. Sana lagi kang malusog, malakas. Kami, okay lang kami dito.
God bless.
God bless. Yun na lang.
Hello, Tita Minerva. Happy 70th birthday po. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Minerva. Hope you have a good day.
Maligayang kaarawan, Tita Minerva.
Hello, happy birthday, Minerva. Wish you all the best in everything, in good health, and God bless you more. Happy birthday! Mwah.
Hi, Tita Minerva! Sana naalala mo pa ako. Matagal na tayong hindi nakita. Gusto ko lang sanang batiin ka ng happy birthday. Sana lagi kang happy, lagi kang in good health. Pasensya ka na kasi yung mga anak ko tsaka yung husband ko nagkasakit kaming sunod-sunod. So wala kaming time na magkakasama kaming bumati sa'yo. Pero next year, babati kami ng sabay-sabay. Okay, ingat! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Tita Minerva. More birthdays to come and good health.
Wishing you another year filled with love and success and everything you else deserve. Happy birthday, Lola Minerva.
Happy birthday po.
Hello, Minerva. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you all the best in life, good health for you and your family. Enjoy your birthdays to the max. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. And may God bless you always and your family.
Hello! Happy birthday, Minnie! From me, Mirna, and your classmates here in Manila. It has been a while since we graduated from nursing school. Wow, ang tagal na. And we always remember you as that sweet, ever-dependable nurse with quiet and calm demeanor, giving tender, loving care to our patients. At syempre, ikaw pa din ang forever muse ng klase. May you and Monette, your children, and your grandchildren and loved ones continue to receive rich blessings from above. Grant your heart's deepest desires and more to-do list check and achieve. At sana matikman uli namin yung dinuguan ni Monette. Happy birthday! Cheers to the next 30 years!
Hi Minerva, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo at higit sa lahat ang iyong kalusugan. Happy birthday ulit at kumusta rin kay Monette at sa mga bata. Again, happy birthday from Efren and Donna Velasco.
Happy 70th birthday, Ate Minerva. I wish you more birthday to come and good health.
Hello, mga kamag-anak naming mayaman sa Amerika. Asan ba yung may birthday? At kami babati ng happy birthday.
Hello, Minerva.
Happy birthday! At wish namin na magkaroon ko pa ng napakaraming birthday. At iintay namin yung pag-uwi nyo ulit dito para i-blow out mo kami sa SM. Okay.
Enjoy lang. Ingat
tayo
kayo lagi.
Happy birthday ulit.
Kamusta kayo, Bonit?
Insan, hintay namin yung pag-uwi nyo rito at i-blow out mo kami sa SM, ha? Thank you.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Minerva. May you have more birthday celebration to come. Thank you. May pansit pa ba?
Hello, Minerva. Anong balita? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Minerva. Many more birthdays to come. Kumusta na si Monette? Balita mo lang kami. Sige, Minerva, happy birthday ulit. Okay. Ingat palagi. Sige, God bless.
Hi, Madam Minerva. Happy birthday. It's your 70th birthday. 70th birthday is a platinum significance, strength, and the rare and precious reaching this significant milestone in your life. I hope the years to come will be filled with good health, joy, and all the blessings life has to offer. See you soon in San Francisco. Hopefully, soon we'll meet personally in San Francisco. Again, Madam, happy birthday. And I found a new one good and beautiful friend with you and Sir Ramon. Regards to everybody. Take care and God bless.